Hey, you guys. Well, here we are again with the second build in the challenge series. Well, same rules as before. I'm only allowed to use what's provided in the kit. I mean, minus a couple obvious, really silly, ridiculous things, like the Rodico. Rodico's Rodico. Finger cuts are finger cuts. I'm already wearing gloves. I don't think that counts as cheating. If you do, well, you can leave me comments in the bottom. Not going to need their phone holder. I'm not going to watch their video. I've watched their video and I've built one or two watches. So I think we can be safe to wing it. I'm just going to quickly unpack what we're going to use out of here, and then we shall be right back. All right. Well, kind of really basic, the stuff that we're going to need. I've kind of taken most of it out and unpackaged it. We'll just kick a few of these things to the side until we need them. Our puffer, we'll keep that out. I've got a case on their little holder there. It's their case holder. We will grab out the tweezers, which these are a nice pair of tweezers. They are. So this is the difference between the DIY Watch Club and the Namoki kit. Namoki kit gets it done, no problem. DIY, the parts are a little bit better. Or, well, not the parts, sorry, the tools. They start you off with a little bit better tools. I thought about this earlier. I think the big difference between these two kits is Namoki, great for young people that like modding things. The DIY watch kit is more like a kit for an older generation that still likes to mod things, but also likes the little bit of a kick up in tool qualities. Doesn't really matter to start, but sure is nice. Let's get this movement out of here. There we go. Should sit in there for us. Yes, no, no. Oh, I got it. Man, because you're a dummy. You had it upside down still from flopping the thingy out of the last time. There we go. Alright. This is a Miyota movement. And that's an NH thingamadoo, movement holder. So we're going to be extremely gentle, and we're going to do this here. It's alright, I hear you. It can be done. You just have to be that much more gentle. These movement pads actually have a little dimple right in the middle, so that it'll sit there nicely, and even when you put pressure down, it's going to put it down evenly on the outsides, so it's okay. So let's carry on, shall we? I love the size of this dial. Woo! I'm excited for that dial. I don't know. See, I'm so excited I'm getting too carried away. What we need to do first, make sure we're working properly. Give it a little bit of a wind. Oh, this Miyota movement feels completely different. Oh, the functions are still the same, of course, but winding it feels much different than a Seiko, than these NH movements. Cool beans. Well, let's get this dial on here, and then we'll get it spun around and get some hands on. Get some hands on. Get hands on with the hands on. And I think, yes, they did. We don't have to worry about dial feet. They are in exactly the position we need them to be. So we're going to put that again to the side because I need to get us our stem and the white movement holder inside this case. We need to get that out. Ow! Come on. I know you're not on there tight. I didn't think so. There we go. Get our tweezers. Get that out. Now, noting the orientation, because that's the way you're going to have to want to put it in there. And see the slot? That's where your stem goes. So, put that holder down. Put your movement on top. Make sure you're getting it in there level. Oh, you so and so. There we go. There. In the movement holder. Now we can put our dial on. I just noticed something. We don't have a date on this. So we're just gonna have to. You know what I'm gonna do? Since we don't have a date on the dial, I'm gonna wind this around until it changes and I can see it. That way I don't have to worry about trying to feel it change. Well, that's unfortunate because there's gonna be a ghost position on this dial then, or on this watch. All right, well, I guess we're not gonna worry about it too terribly much because there's no date window. So, alright, it depends on our dial here. We've got one 12 o'clock and one 6 o'clock. So, that's pretty easy. Just like so. And it sits down there nicely. Alrighty. Well, let's get ourselves some hands. Now they give you 2 sets of hands, that's really kind of nice of them, because hand setting is always the hardest thing to do to start with. So there. Now I can see we can come forward a little bit. Just to level it out. As you see, There. Alright. That went okay. Not so bad, not so bad. Take a quick look. See what we see. It's not looking too bad. I think it needs to come down a little bit. One sec here. Oh yeah, definitely needs to come down. Well, like I said, I'm just being a little maybe a little extra gentle on this because I don't have a second movement. I know the Seiko movements are pretty bulletproof for the most part, but not 100% sure with these Miyota ones. So a little more gentle. And
Hey guys. Well, I apologize, but due to technical difficulties, that's as far as I was able to get in the video for making this watch. However, it's all pretty straightforward from what you saw, you know. Installed the minute hand, installed the second hand, cased it up, and this one was done, you know, just a push-pull crown. So that's pretty much it. I'll leave it there for this video. Next one will be my quick overview of both watches and giveaway news. After that, giveaway. So, sorry about that, everyone. I hope you're not too terribly disappointed. Yeah, good luck on the giveaway. Thanks, everyone. Please like and subscribe. Cheers.